move out. Okay, head. Okay. You just broke his teeth. Go get him, Dylan. Okay, you gotta stop when he does that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kick him, Dylan. Okay. Okay, get up and then bow again. Okay. Bow. Dylan, bow. You gotta bow. No, to Ethan. And then you fight. Gotta bow and then fight. Okay, now fight. Not upstairs.